Greetings, esteemed marketers and visionary content creators. In this captivating episode, we embark on a thrilling journey into a cutting-edge platform that is reshaping the landscape of content creation and monetization, the remarkable AI Creators Club. Within the confines of this video, we shall unravel the intricacies of this revolutionary program. From harnessing the might of artificial intelligence to elevate your content quality, to unearthing novel avenues of revenue generation. Consider yourselves in for a treat. Without further ado, let us plunge into the realm of the AI Creators Club. Understanding the essence of AI Creators Club. The AI Creators Club stands not merely as a program, but as an innovative community and toolkit that wields the prowess of artificial intelligence to metamorphose your creative undertakings, encompassing an array of sophisticated AI tools. This platform is engineered to augment the excellence of your content, streamline your workflow, and unleash your potential to amass earnings previously thought unattainable. Revealing the array of benefits, let us expound upon why the AI Creators Club warrants a central spot in your arsenal of creative weapons. Amplification of creative prowess. Imagine a digital companion that conjures ingenious content ideas, breaking down the barriers of creative stagnation and fostering an atmosphere of perpetual innovation. Precision and efficiency. Bid adieu to monotonous tasks consuming your precious time. With AI, the mundane is automated, allowing you to channel your energies towards aspects of creativity that genuinely matter. Elevation of content excellence. Whether it involves refining visual aesthetics, video post-production, or refining textual pieces, AI emboldens you to achieve a higher echelon of quality, propelling you to engage your audience on unprecedented levels. Pioneering monetization dynamics. Now, let us delve into the thrilling domain of financial gain. The AI Creators Club isn't a mere tool. It's a pivotal engine of revenue generation. Unveiling the potential of AI Creators Club. Here is a hands-on guide to harness the full potential of the AI Creators Club. A seamless onboarding experience. Commence by acquainting yourself with the platform. Navigate through the arsenal of tools and features designed with both novices and seasoned creators in mind. Enabling creative ideation. Combating a creative blockade? Invoke the AI to spark the flame of inspiration by fabricating unique and captivating content concepts. A seamless content creation voyage. Be it crafting written narratives, sculpting visual artistry, or editing video masterpieces. AI takes the helm, acting as an indefatigable virtual collaborator. The science of intelligent optimization. AI is your beacon in optimizing content for search engines and captivating your audience, ensuring that your laborious endeavors receive the recognition they warrant. Unlocking financial horizons with AI Creators Club. Now, to address the quintessential question: how can you transform your creative exploits into a prolific financial endeavor? Capitalize on your craft. As the caliber of your content amplifies, your financial prospects grow proportionately. Visualize ad revenue, sponsorships, and strategic affiliations as lucrative fruits born of superior content. Embrace quantity without compromising quality. AI boosts your creative throughput, empowering you to craft more content, magnetizing a wider audience, and consequently, augmenting your financial inflow. The diversity of monetary streams. Beyond the conventional paths, the AI Creators Club is your muse to explore novel monetization avenues. Be it the design of online courses, creation of digital products, or exclusive premium content. Demystifying apprehensions. The looming doubt. Is the AI Creators Club a beacon of promise or an abyss of deception? Let us quell your apprehensions. The dividends of time saved, content quality enhanced, and revenues harvested far eclipse the investment incurred. Upholding the pillars of legitimacy. In the cacophony of skepticism, rest assured, the AI Creators Club stands resolute as a sanctuary of authenticity. It rallies a thriving community of creators who stand testament to its tangible results. It is not a hollow proclamation, but a cornerstone of creative refinement and financial empowerment. Conclusion: ignite your potential with AI Creators Club. Esteemed marketers and visionary content creators, The AI Creators Club is not a mere program. It is a vehicle of transformation. It ignites your creative verve, amplifies your revenue trajectory, and revolutionizes your very approach. For those poised to rewrite the narrative of their creative journey, the gates of the AI Creators Club await. Please click the link below to look inside the AI Creators Club. Should this discourse have stirred intrigue within your creative soul, do not withhold your appreciation. Shower upon us your likes. Perpetuate this wisdom amongst your fellow creators. And remain entranced by our troves of insights concerning the digital marketing landscape. Embrace creativity, embolden innovation. And until our next interaction, goodbye.